Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Claude AI use cases video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run a detailed SEO audit of the entire website using Claude AI and how you can create an action plan to fix all these SEO issues on your website and improve the ranking of your website in search engine. And for this, I have used my own website. I asked Claude to run a detailed SEO audit for my website and it has found 8 critical SEO issues on my website. And it has also given me an action plan to fix all these issues. In the left hand side, you will see a visual roadmap with a 3-phased SEO workflow that I need to follow to fix the issues. It has audited 73 blog posts, and out of 73 blog posts, I'll need to rewrite 46 blog posts. There are issues on 43 blog posts, and that is why I need to rewrite all those blog posts. Those blog posts are very old blog posts with very thin content, and Claude AI has suggested me to rewrite the content, also change the meta title and meta description, and rewrite H1, H2, H3 tags. So it has given me the list of all the issues on these blog posts. There are 8 critical site issues and 8 new blog posts that I'll need to publish on my website. So you will see week by week workflow, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 12, and month 2+. And in the right hand side, you will see I have already created an artifact which I'm going to use to rewrite the blog post which has the issues. So I'm going to simply enter the URL of the old blog post and I'm going to click on rewrite the blog post. Claude AI will analyze that old blog post. It will go through all the content. It will rewrite that blog post fully SEO optimized. This is how it is going to work. So I don't need to do it manually. I'm going to enter the link of the old blog post and it is going to rewrite the blog post. So I'm going to show you how I started and how you can run SEO audit of your website. Here you will see a list of all the blog posts which has issues. You will also see the priority and what is the issue. The content quality is thin. The blog post is more than 3 years old, and you will see the link of the blog post, why it needs updating and suggested new title, and you will see status is done. Because I have already started working on these blog posts, I have already started rewriting all these blog posts, and hopefully it will improve the ranking of all these blog posts. If I go to my website, you will see this is my website and I'm really not using this website. This website has around 200 blog posts and these blog posts are mostly based on the YouTube videos that I'm already publishing on my YouTube channel. So I'm publishing many videos on real use cases of Claude AI, how you can create WordPress and WooCommerce plugins using Claude AI, how you can use Claude AI to optimize your website for search engines, and how you can improve the quality of your website. You can also use Claude AI to create a layout of the website. You might have seen many videos on how to create a $5,000 website using Claude AI. But let me know, do you really have any client who is going to buy a $5,000 website from you? If not, then try using some real world use cases of Claude AI. How you can use Claude AI for WordPress, WooCommerce, Elementor, and for search engine optimization. If you want to learn more about the real world Claude AI use cases, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to publish many videos on Claude AI. Again, it is not only for fancy websites of $10,000 or $5,000. Definitely you can create it and you can sell it. However, if you want to capture the large market of local businesses, you should focus on smaller websites which you can build using Claude AI, and you can sell them at $200 or $500. I have been working with many web design companies in USA for more than 14 years who are selling the websites to local businesses. Now let me show you the initial prompt that I started to run the SEO audit of my website.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So this is the initial prompt. Go through the website and this is the link of the website. Analyze all the pages and blog posts of this website. Write an action plan to improve the SEO rankings of this website. Recent blog posts on this website are created using Claude AI. Recently, I started using Claude AI to write the blog post about the video tutorials that I have already published on my YouTube channel. I want to improve the ranking of this website so that I can drive more traffic to this website. I'm not focusing on selling the website design services. I'm planning to drive the traffic to blog posts on this website. So this is what I want to do. I want to increase the traffic on my website. I have more than 200 blog posts on this website and I'm getting thousands of impressions in search engine results. However, I'm not getting enough clicks and I want to improve that. So the Claude started working on it. It went through all the pages, it went through all the blog posts, and it has found some issues, and it has given me the 3 most urgent fixes. The first one is fix the inconsistent claims. Your site says 12 years, 14 years, 15 years, and 9 years. This is because on the home page I have it mentioned as 14 years, on the About Us page I have it mentioned as 15 years, on the contact page I had it as 9 years. I didn't update all the pages, and that's why there was inconsistency on all these pages. That was about my experience in website designing. So that is what it has suggested me. Use consistent, make it 15 years on all the pages and more than 1800 websites on all the pages. So that was the urgent fix. The second fix is rewrite the About page. I didn't have enough content on the About Us page, so it has suggested me to write the content for the About Us page. And the third one is add article or how-to schema on all the blog posts. So the older articles didn't have the how-to and article schema, and it has suggested me to add the schema code on all the blog posts. Then we have biggest growth opportunity. It asked me to add some articles on Go High Level. Go High Level is basically the website automation CRM, and it created an action plan. If you see here, these are all blog posts which need to be fixed. You will see high priority, then low priority, like this, then medium priority. So I'm going to go through all these blog posts and I'm going to improve all these blog posts step by step. And after that, I asked Claude, can I create a system in Claude where Claude will go through all the old blog posts on this website one by one. It will analyze all the blog posts and rewrite SEO optimized content for older blog posts. So that means I asked Claude to create a tool where I can enter the old blog post URL and it is going to rewrite the content for that blog post. Let me know if that is possible. It gave me 2 options. Either I can create AI powered web app, which you will see here in the right hand side, and the other option is to create a tool using Claude Cowork. Here you will see 2 options, Claude Cowork and a web app. And here you will see a difference between these 2 applications. So I asked Claude to build a web app that is nothing but the artifact that you will see in the right hand side. And this tool is going to rewrite the article, and this is what it is going to follow. Section 1, SEO settings, optimize post title, SEO metadata, focus keywords, suggested URL. The second section will be rewritten article, strong opening paragraph, then personal note, table of content, full rewritten body with proper H2, H3 headings. And the third section is editor checklist. It will go through all the on-page SEO checklist. Then it will suggest you image, alt text, internal linking, and word count estimate. After that, I asked Claude, can you make a list of all the older blog posts on this website that need to be updated with the new content and optimized for the SEO, create Excel sheet that I can download. And it has worked on it. You will see the Excel sheet has high priority, progress tracker, how to use it, and 46 blog posts with high priority, 10 posts with medium priority, and 17 posts with low priority. So this is the Excel sheet. This is the same Excel sheet you will see in the Claude. You will see a list of all the blog posts. This is high priority blog posts that need to be fixed. Then we have progress tracker. You will see how you can use this Excel sheet. And after that, I asked Claude to create a workflow or chart of the action plan. And this is the workflow or the chart. You will see it here. Phase 1, fix the inconsistent claim, rewrite About Us page, create author profile page, add article plus how-to schema to all blog posts, fix homepage title. The homepage initially did not have the meta title, so it has also given me the meta title and the meta description for the homepage. This is the phase 2. 7 tasks are there. Upgrade all 46 thin old posts, build internal pillar plus cluster linking. So I'm also going to ask the Claude to build the internal pillar plus the cluster linking. It is going to give me all the details, so I'm going to follow that. Expand Go High Level section, do keyword research before every new post, add personal note, create a blog or tutorial hub page like the learning center or the blog page, maintain consistent publishing cadence. And the phase 3 is authority building. YouTube to blog two-way linking. So I have embedded the YouTube videos on the blog post. It has suggested me to get a backlink from the YouTube video to your blog post. After that, plugin developer outreach, I have published many videos and articles for different companies. It has suggested me to get a backlink from those companies to your blog post. Also suggested me to write guest posts on different websites. I have already published a detailed video on how to create AI backlink research tool using Claude AI. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the link in the description box. Review Google Search Console weekly. And the last section is start here. This week's 4 tasks. So it has given me week by week tasks that I need to finish. For this week, I have 4 tasks. I have already started rewriting the blog post using Claude AI artifact that I have created. So if you want to improve the ranking of your website, if you want to run a detailed SEO audit of your website, you can try using Claude AI. Here I'm using Claude AI Pro. You can also do it using Claude free version. It may take multiple sessions to run the complete audit of your website. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create more videos on Claude AI use cases for search engine optimization. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and get more videos on WordPress, Elementor, WooCommerce, and AI tools. That's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.